Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Borg Tries to Fix It. So today the plan is to get the front suspension off of the Cutlass so we can get ready and paint that front part of the frame. So I already started it. I started filming a little bit. The filming might be a little off. I might not have every step, but I'm going to put everything together that I do get so you can at least see the process of everything. And then when I'm actually got everything off, I will show you what it looks like before I clean it up and get it painted. So anyway, let's get going.
So everything is off of the frame in the front here. Came out pretty well. All the steering's off. Steering gear is gone. And all the suspension on this side's off. All right. So that came out pretty good. Now I can clean it all up, you know, get some Port 15 put on it to seal it up. And then we're on to the firewall cowl, get that done, and start putting stuff back on. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good one.